ख्वाब पूरे करने के लिए हिम्मत और जोश चाहिए।
current is so strong. I'm not sure I can cross.
You have the strength, Hopper. I can do it.
What if I fail? So rest first, then try. One step,
Excuse me, are you lost too?
not anymore.
Thank you for your kindness.
A new friendship begins. How wonderful. One more plank, and the frame is done. Here are the nails. Steady now.
I can help. Look,
Perfect, little one. We're almost there. A new beginning. Welcome. First fruits fresh and ripe. They look wonderful. I'll take some now.
I'll get them ready.
Fine harvest, Hopper. Thank you, friend.
See you next time.
After everything, we're finally here. Waiting, Hopper.
अब देखो, हाँ, और मेरा दोस्त बना।
ये सब और इससे मेहनत का फल है वापस।
चलो मिलकर खाते हैं।
आते हैं।
लाइक और सब्सक्राइब